got going here is, you see, they've chiseled out at the bottom of the column there, and they've tied the rebar into that column at the bottom down there. That rebar that was in the column, and they've got the support structure in here with the rebar, kind of a J hook on the bottom of that, and then over here, same thing, get it tied in there. They got these wires just hold it up there for right now. Now they're going to pour cement footing in here that the rebars are going to sit on. I mean, the cinder blocks are going to sit on when they get ready for it. Just putting some rocks there to kind of hold the cement into place right now. See what they got back here. Raising it up a little bit higher there before they throw that in right there. This is Friday afternoon here, and we're doing this. We had a heavy rainstorm today. I mean, right during the lunch hour it rained big time, and you can see what happened to these. I was told when well guys were here this weekend, or Tuesday they were here, they were saying you can find water, the water level is 4 feet here, and I kind of believe them, because when it rains, these holes here don't they take forever to drain out. I've noticed that in the past. Our well is right behind us right there, where my wife is standing right there, and these holes right here are just full of water. The other holes, not so much, but this one right here are full. Those two over there got water in them. But come out here. This one doesn't have any water. That one's got a little bit. That one's got water in it too. All right, closed out today's Friday. We got one more work day, and tomorrow, Saturday, will be here. We had a heck of a rainstorm, about an hour of rain right during lunchtime today, and you can see the pillars are full of water. They started pouring these footings here. I thought we were gonna, I've seen where they run basically rebar beams, very similar to the columns. But the blueprints don't call for that. We took a look at that, and they don't call for that. But we're going to have the engineer come out tomorrow. His name is OG is his name. Original Gangster. OG is going to come out tomorrow. He's our engineer. Works at the municipality here in Panglao. He drew our plans up and everything. Designed the house, and we're going to have him come out here and make sure we're all on the same page. Our foreman, I think, is saying that we don't need the beam rebars because of the limestone, the coral rock that these columns are bedded in, and he may very well be right, but better to check and make sure we're all on the same page here. And we made a couple changes today on the blueprints. My wife was there. One of the blueprints, the blueprints were drawn up. We were still in the U.S., and so we were trying to communicate between OG, my wife, and her sister, and some of the communications got lost, or just whatever. There's always changes, and so we there's a CR, a bathroom downstairs that we don't want. My wife wants off the kitchen, wants to have that turned into a pantry, and then have just a small half bath put underneath the stairwell. and so that's one thing we're gonna do. We are also going to take up part of our front porch here and expand the master bathroom to make it bigger. My wife wants a bigger bathroom, and I kind of agree. It was Filipino culture. Their kind of bathrooms are kind of small generally in most houses. Kind of like where we came from. It was probably 3 feet wide by 6 feet long, and that was the entire bath. And I don't like pedestal sinks. I just have never cared for them. And so we're gonna change that up, and that's where we are right there. And you can see we got lots of water in the footings here. I mean, it came down in buckets. It was a heck of a thunderstorm. There's typhoons and tropical storms to the north of us here hitting the other islands, but we've been good so far. But one's supposed to hit the island of Leyte today or tomorrow, and that's where our power comes from. So hopefully they do well on that storm, and we don't lose our power here. And so we got a lot more framing up here, and shipment a truckload of gravel, and make sure we don't run out of that again. So it takes them a day or two to get it to us. So that's where we are, guys. This is
naulaw to. Sige, akong istorya niyo, okay? Ako tawagan. Ha? Oh, okay, good. Dito para sa. Sige. Okay, sige, salamat. Okay, bye.
all right. So they're starting to put the walls in. This is really kind of more like the almost like a foundation, if you will. This will be below grade level. Down here and look right here. This is going to be the floor level right there, right where that, almost right where that string is, right there. It's going to be your floor level there. So they come in there where they got the. There'll be a lot of backfill going in here, and that's kind of where our pool comes into play. Our pool is going to be right where that truck is, so we're going to have a backhoe come in here and dig that out, but we're still a few weeks away from that. This is how they're finishing up their week on Saturday. Another.
Katuwa dito ganito.
Cement out the rebar, huh? Got some lights up here. Looking good. Looking good, I think. Yeah. I definitely want to see them light up. Come out of here on that. Okay. Just putting up the other one right there. All right. All right. Oh, it looks like they use this to bend the tube. Oh, okay. These little LPG gas to bend the tube in. All right. Looks good, huh, sweetie?
Huh? Yeah.
What, do you have anything to say for the folks back home?
Hago ay.
Huh? No?
Loading.
Oh, ants. Okay. Yeah. Adjust it. Did we?
Ano ka nang bako? Ano kita buna may bako? Ano mas igal ba? The rice.
The what?
More rice.
All right.
Dapat ka tong gloves na? Ha? Dapat ka tong gloves? Pabukas ano din?
Oh, we're civilized. We with our fork.
Bang.